Tonight on Market Call tonight, David Burrows. He is President and Chief Investment Strategist at Barometer Capital Management, and he's taking your calls and emails and tweets on North American large caps. Hi there, welcome to our show. Call us toll-free, 1-855-326-6266. Send an email to marketcall@bnn.ca or simply tweet us. Remember to include @marketcall. David, great to see you. We are getting the scorecard now for the markets in January. Poor old Toronto down more than 1% this year. America up more than 5%.
Yeah, this market is really not playing that well into Canada's strengths. And certainly, sectors like industrials and technology are really on a rip in the U.S. and the Canadian market has been left a little bit behind with some of our sectors.
You are, though, thinking there's going to be some type of a pullback even for U.S. stocks?
So we have been sort of bullish since February of 16. And we continue to be long-term bullish. We think we've just finished two of what is likely to be three very good years before we get the next big correction. But in the very short run, we've become a little bit extended. We think that, certainly we're not making major changes in our portfolios, but I do think it would be very easy to see the S&P pull back 5% in here.
That would just take us back to even for the year.
It really just takes you back to the 50-day moving average where we're a little bit extended. Some of our short-term work points to the fact the market needs to consolidate a little bit. But having said that, there's some very, very clear themes in this market. And we think that the year is going to finish, considerably higher than where we are now. So really, if you were to get a pullback, which I know there's lots of people looking for, it would, I think, be an opportunity to be a buyer for those that are underinvested.
You think market leaders right now seem to be the financials, tech, and industrials, to name three of the groups?
So since the early part of 2016, the themes that have led this market are sectors that benefit structurally from reflation in the world's economies. So we've lived with disinflation or very low inflation for a very long time. And so people became over-owned things that act like bonds, utilities, telcos, REITs, and so on. But really in April, May of 16, financials, industrials, technology, and in the last year, basic materials really joined in this rally, consumer discretionary stocks. And so we have almost historic low correlations between have sectors and have not sectors. And it actually is the best market that you could have as an active investor who are really targeting those specific long-term structural themes.
Just finally, though, you see resources as showing signs of strength. So that sounds good for Toronto.
Yeah. So when we talk about resources, I'm talking more sort of basic materials. So it could be talking about steel, right, which has been very, very good. You can talk about timber, some of the lumber companies, some of the metals companies, quite good. Energy's still a little bit sloppy. You have to pick your spots, and probably gold is trying to make a move, but I'm not sure that we can say it's there yet.
And U.S. dollar, is it going to get weaker from here?
So, the sectors also that have been benefiting over the last year are sectors that tend to benefit from a weak U.S. dollar. The technical picture for U.S. dollar versus almost all currencies looks lower. And the sectors that are doing well should be doing well given that. If you were to start to see some change in that behavior, you might question it. But certainly in the portfolios we've run, we are hedged back to Canadian dollars, even though substantially almost all of our assets are outside of Canada currently.
So you're hedged back to the Canadian
dollar? Back
to
the Canadian dollar, because Canadian dollar looks like it is likely to continue to firm versus U.S., like euro, like yen, like many currencies around the world.
We're going to be right back with David Burrows of Barometer Capital Management. David is answering your questions today on North American large caps. You can call them toll-free, 1-855-326-6266.